If your internet is slow and you're struggling with buffering videos or slow downloads, this guide is going to be super helpful. We'll explore how to speed up your internet, whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, through easy and simple steps from your phone's settings. Before we tweak any settings, we need to measure your current internet speed so we can compare it later and see the difference. It's super simple. Open your internet browser, Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, etc. Search for Internet Speed Test. Pick any site that shows up and run the speed test. Write down the current speed so you can compare later. First, speeding up Wi-Fi connection. Some routers and default settings use slow DNS servers, which can make your internet slower than it should be. The solution? We'll switch to Google DNS, which is known for its speed and reliability. Here's how. Open your phone's settings. Go to Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Scroll down until you find IP settings. Change it from DHCP to static. Re-enter the IP address and gateway with the exact numbers already shown on your screen. You'll see two options, DNS1 and DNS2. DNS1. Enter 8.8.8.8 DNS2. Enter 8.8.4.4. Tap Save. Restart your phone so the changes take full effect. After the changes, run another speed test. You'll notice the difference. In some cases, your speed might double or even triple. Second, speeding up mobile data. Many people suffer from slow mobile data, even if their data plan is active and working fine. The solution here is to modify the APN, access point name settings, to get the fastest possible connection. Tweaking APN settings to improve internet speed. Open your phone's settings. Use the search bar and type access point names. Select the APN used for your mobile data, the one with the check mark. Scroll down until you find Authentication Type. Try selecting PAP and then test your speed. If the speed is still low, try changing it to CHAP and test again. Choose the one that gives you the best speed and tap Save. Why is this step important? Because some mobile networks work faster with a specific authentication type. It depends on your network and region. So testing is the key to finding what works best for you. Extra tips to boost internet speed. Use trusted VPN apps. Some VPNs improve speed by bypassing network congestion. Clear cache regularly. Apps store old data that can slow down browsing. Clear it from your phone's settings. Keep your phone updated. System updates often improve network performance and fix connectivity issues. Close background apps that use internet, like auto updates and syncing apps. Use a fast browser like Opera Mini or Brave. They save data and load pages faster. Now with these steps, you can boost your internet speed, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, all without any apps or extra costs. Try the tweaks and see the difference for yourself. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this guide with your friends so everyone can benefit.